Hi guys, welcome back to Skinfidence with Olida. So today we are not doing skincare, we are doing hair care. I've decided to dye my hair myself. Hi guys, welcome back to Skinfidence with Olida. So today we are not doing skincare, we are doing hair care. I've decided to dye my hair myself at home. So I bought the box there and I'm just going to show you guys the things I'm going to be using. So I intentionally wore this shirt so that in case if it gets stained, I won't be pained. I don't really wear the shirts out. I don't wear it outside. So yeah, we have the box there here. Then we have the container and spatula that we use to mix them. That's because I cannot finish the hair dye. My hair is small. Then we have Vaseline that we use to protect my skin. Then we have leave-in conditioner. Then we have shampoo. Yeah. Then we have a nylon to cover my head, because I don't have shower cap. Then we have my combs here as well. So yeah, that's basically it. So let me just show you guys the color. So this is showing red, the rose vivid red. But I checked on TikTok and YouTube and they said usually people that use this color or cream of nature in general is usually one is usually darker than what is on the box. So I have a medium brown hair. So this is what we're expected to see. So let's see if it will actually get this bright. Actually, I don't want it to be that bright, but I don't think this color is bad either. So yeah, I hope it turns out well. So come with me to dye my hair. I'm actually very excited. I've been looking forward to this for a while. So yeah, let's open the box. I'm shocked though. You guys see the things in the box. We have a colorant, we have developer, then we have conditioner and the guide. The videos I used to see online, they used to put glove inside. I don't know why there's no glove inside this one. I guess I might have to improvise. So yeah, let me read this and let's see what's there. Ah, Jesus. You guys, see why it's not good to complain. See, I found the gloves at the back of the guide. I'm just going to detach it. Yep. The instruction says you pour this into this. You pour this into this. So what we are going to do is that I will divide this into half and pour some here. It is half. So the bad thing about this thing is I cannot really see what's outside. At the same time, yeah, I think that's enough. Will this thing go around for my hair? Then I'll pour. Then I will pour this into it. Yep. I'm not see this one too as well. I think that's enough. So I'm going to close it up. Now I'm going to mix to combine. Oh Jesus. Wow, it's getting hot. Okay, I think it's well mixed. So the next thing we're going to do is to put Vaseline all over my want to cover my hair makeup. There's colors to put in my hair. Also on the back. And I'm going to also apply it to my neck. Just to avoid this attach. The parts that touched my hair. I think I applied it too close to some part of my hair. I'm going to run my braids. Holy Spirit, let this thing go well. Or else I'm gonna cry. So yep, let's start from the top. So I'm going to be looking at the mirror in front of me. So what I was saying. I think I'm just applying it here because this part of my hair is like the thickest. Guys, when I say the Yoruba game, you're the Nigerian Igbo, wants to use my hand because this thing is taking time. So, yeah. This thing be enough for my hair. I think I might have to call someone just to be sure that it is well coated. I don't want stories. I want it to go around well, very well. You see, yeah, and this I'm going to call someone just to make sure that I went around. So I'll be right back, guys. Let me show someone. Okay. Just to make sure that this is well coated. No part missing. Finally. I've been postponing this thing for months. Close to 6 months though. If I had a dye in my hair before, if it, so yeah. Let me show someone just to make sure that it is well coated. I'll be right back. No, Jesus. Guess who is back? Hi, me. Yep. So it's well coated, and then we're going to wrap it. Let me remove the gloves. Yeah, we can wrap it properly. So I think we're going to wait for 25 minutes. Once it's too vibrant, yeah, I'm going to remove it though. I don't want it to be too bright. So let's say I'll wait for 15 to 20 minutes and I'll be right back. I stained the floor and the sink, so I'm going to come back. So yeah, 20 minutes after, so yeah. Let's wash it off. I've washed it. This is what it looks like. I actually like the color. It's very nice. I told you guys, see, it's not giving red. It's giving like, let me say, copper. Yeah, it's giving copper. And it's very nice. So, even conditioner. And I'll show you guys when the hair has dried. So yeah. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You can also dye your hair yourself. It's not that hard, honestly. It was very easy. Bye guys.